Today I'm going to show you how to replace the end on your Polaris robot vacuum. First off, you're going to need a replacement. Here is an actual Polaris branded replacement. It comes with the new universal wall fitting as well as the red and blue restrictor discs. You'll find some knockoffs on Amazon, and those often will not include this piece in here, this part that screws on. If yours is still good, you might be able to go for that, but this whole thing is shot. It's very, very easy to do this. You have a nut here that you can unscrew. Just unscrew it like that, and now your hose has to come off. Now, sometimes you're going to have a problem where the hose just does not want to come off, and if that's the case, you can use a razor blade to slit it and then just cut it off, or you can just cut it off here since you're throwing this piece out. But you are going to still have to get it off so you can get this nut off, because that part you need to keep. That's not part of the new one. Usually with just some wiggling you can get it off. And there's our nut. We're going to open up our new fitting right here. Take it out. Put the nut back on the same way, and the hose back on the same way. If you kept the same end on it, it should fit right on, no problem. And then just screw the piece back down, screw the nut back down until it's tight, and that's it. There we go. There's the piece off. I don't need to replace this on mine, so I'm going to save this as a spare for when I do need it. So this is now ready to plug in. Please also note that if your new quick disconnect fitting doesn't include a filter, you'll need to transfer that over from your old one. Very simple, just like that. Again, if you have a problem getting the hose off, you'll have to slit it with the razor blade. And of course, you can always cut it off with a pair of scissors or garden shears or something like that. Real quick, real easy. Make sure you buy the right part that includes everything you need, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please consider clicking the like and subscribe buttons. That lets me know I did a good job making this video, and I can continue to provide them for you. Have a great day.